Everyone, welcome today in the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, February the 24th, 25th, 2024. We have here two regular puzzles. Yes, the Medium Sudoku and the Samurai Sudoku. Yes, again, our daily Sudoku practice continues. February the 24th, 2024. Yeah. We have here in this puzzle page also two Sudokus with 3 stars, one Killer Sudoku, two binaries with 3 stars, and a Jigsaw Sudoku. 6 puzzles, 4 of them I will solve this evening, and tomorrow on Sunday we have here an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve: the letter Sudoku, the 2, the 3, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have here 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I will solve 4 of them, and in the evening the Samurai Sudoku. But first, let me start with this Medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 8065. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. That's a lot. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, should be a 1 star. For 1 star, need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the middle column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7 in this big square. That means no 6 and the 7 in these 3 boxes. 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 8, 2. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8. And look, we have 2 and 8 in this row. So no 2 and 8 in this box. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the last row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in the middle column for number 1. Okay. 2 in this column. First column. 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. Then 2, 2. 2, 2. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 in that box. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. 9, 9. Okay. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 6. We have a 9 and a 6 in the third column, so no 9 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. 9 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright, so we have a 9 in this row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, last column, no 9 there. Yeah, 9 in that column, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Need a 6 here. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 in the second row, no 4 there. Only place left for the 4, it should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. Then, let me see. 3, 5, 9, 5. Need an 8 here. 5, 3, 9. Need a 4 here. Alright. Need a 7 here. Need a 1 here. And I need a 4 here. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8. That means in this third column, those 3 missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 147, 147, 147, 147. Okay, so now we have 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these 2 boxes here, 3 in the third column, second column, correction. So no 3 in these 3 boxes, so 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. So we have a did I make a mistake? Here, 1, 2, 5, 5. Need a 5 there. 8. Need an 8 there. Yeah, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 9 and so 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes and there. 1, 4, 7, well, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in the row below, no 4 there. Only place left for the 4 should be there. So the 1 and the 7 are left. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7, 1. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Alright, so the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 9 and a 6, we have a 6 now in the second column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 in this second column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Alright. So 2 numbers are left in the second column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this third row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright, and now 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in a row below, so on the last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. And I need a 6 here. 6. Oh wait. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8. And the 7. Come on. 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7. 2, 7, 6, 7. Okay, 2. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. And a 7 is missing. 2, 6, 7. 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 7 in this row. So no 2 and a 7 in this box. 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 6 then. 6 and a 7, we have a 6 now in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 7 goes there. 2 and a 7, we have a 7 in this column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column 3, no, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Alright. Five and 8. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So the 3 and 8 are left. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there, finishing 30 minutes. Faster than 50 minutes, definitely a 1 star. Told you. And yeah, I like this one. I've enjoyed this puzzle. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs up, down. We will meet again in the evening. Yeah, in the evening I will solve 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Saturday.